So yeah, we at this Nike outlet. Well, we at the Nike outlet in is it Ohio? Somewhere in Ohio, Cleveland. Yeah, so let's see what they got here. I see some already. Oh, they got the sixes in here. The pony has sixes, boy. This crazy. These supposed to be like the sleepers. They just came out not too long ago, and these joints already in the Nike outlet. They got 2 pair of them joints in here already with the pony hair, little snake skin, purple joints, 3M on them too. These boys still look like a pass, even in person. I don't care what nobody's saying. I ain't feeling these. I ain't grabbing these. They a pass. They got the Orlando 10s in here. They got the Citron 4s in here as well. But this is all like big feet gang right here. This size 12s though. So I'm about to go see what they got in my size. Yeah, man, they got these Kobe's right here with the like a Komodo dragon on the back. Gun bottom, all black, going for $59. These joints don't look that bad though. They don't look that bad at all. Yeah, I ain't never seen these KDs. I'm for real, these 5s too. I ain't never seen this. I ain't never seen these in the 5s. Why do they still got 5s in the outlet for? That's crazy. And then they got these Kyrie fly traps. I never seen these Kyries before. These don't look bad. They kind of almost look like them Kobe's over there. So these cold too. I ain't never seen these. They got these ACGs right here.
PM Kicks in the building doing this little vlog thing, man.
Got me and my kicks in the building, man.
You already know, man.
Man, they got the mountain ACGs, man. For the hikers out there, I ain't really, the colorway on this is fire though, but this is a hiking shoe. These is still fire though, no lie. These is definitely fire, but these for the hiking shoe. They got the trail bottoms on the back, on the bottom of them, man. Nubuck all upper. You got like the little mesh right here. These is fire colorway wise, but still a hiking shoe. You got traction right there. These is dope. And they got some Soldier joints right here, man. Soldier 12s. I ain't no fan of LeBron's, so Soldier joints. I mean, they decent. They look like decent hooping shoes. They got some 15 lows right here. Yeah. They got some more lows. Decent. Some little maroon lows right here. Decent as well. And they got some 15s, some highs. No, 16s. Excuse me. I don't like a little later colorway. On the front, they had the 2 3s. I don't even know what pack this is. This I am king. I'm king or something like that. I don't know, but decent. Yeah, all right. Moving down, man. I see they got the road kit Kyrie's in here, man. It's crazy, man. Y'all already know I did a review on these. You can go check them out on my channels. These joints is fire, man. Somebody slept on these, man. They got the wrong size or something. These is definitely dope. Moving down toward my size. I see somebody came back and returned these couture joints, Defiance, whichever one you want to call them. I still got these in my crib. I'm trying to get rid of them, but Nike said they couldn't take them because I use PayPal. But there they go. But on the side of them, this is my size. You got the 95, the Wild Wild West pack joints, and these look fire though. These are actually fire in here. I gotta take these out. These definitely look way better in hand than they do on pictures and stuff. So I can only imagine how the 97s look. These definitely look way better in hand than they do on pictures. They got the PG 2 point, what are these, 3s? PG 3s, the All-Star colorway.
These are big. Oh my god.
These they alright. You know, they ain't nothing too special. They should have saved the NASA's for All Star and dropped these whenever, because these are way better. They also have the unpearls here with the little pearl on the side right there. These are definitely fire, but you know, it is what it is. I see they got the platinum tints over there. Them are, you know, outlet specials. And they also have the why nots.
How these looking?
These are loud. You know, not something I mean, we're hooping shoes if you want to stand out, but not something that I would just cop just to cop though. I see they also have these joints right here. I forget, these are the ISPA React joints. These are definitely fire. I wanted these. Not this colorway, it was another colorway. Oh, here we go. These right here. I wanted these. And they still look fire in person though. But this ain't my size. It's like a 7. It's size 7. I can't get these. And they don't have these in my size. But these are still fire though. Probably be looking to cop one of them. And they hit like a blue pair too that was fire. I see they got the Mocha 3s in this joint too. I ain't really surprised on this. You know, nowadays this colorway is too plain. You know, back in the day, this probably would have been like a sellout, like the grown people, older people. But you know, this color just too plain nowadays. So the younger people ain't really rocking with this. So it wasn't on a lot of people's list. Oh, okay. So they got the ISPA joints of these too. These came out like I think a couple different colorways. And they had like a red pair or something like that too. These are just too much. Nah, that's an easy pass. Obviously for a lot of people.